I'm going to walk you through the process of backing up your iPhone on both Windows and Mac computers, and how to restore your iPhone from a backup. Let's get started. If you're backing up your iPhone on Windows, you need to download and install iTunes on your Windows computer. You can do it through the Microsoft Store, or download it directly from Apple's website. Once installed, open iTunes. When it launches, you'll see a screen prompting you to sign in. Use the same Apple ID you have on your iPhone for seamless syncing. Connect your iPhone to your PC using the USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting, your iPhone will ask you if you trust this computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode. You'll see your device's information page. You want to back up to iCloud. If you want to back up to iCloud, you can select that option. However, if you want to back up to your PC, choose this computer. To delete old backups, go to iTunes, then Preferences, then Devices. Here you'll see a list of your backups. Select the one you want to remove and click Delete Backup. To restore your iPhone, connect it to your PC. Go to iTunes and select Restore Backup. From the summary page, choose the backup you wish to restore and click Restore. Now if you're using Mac, iTunes has been replaced by Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac, open Finder, and select your device from the sidebar. In the Finder window, go under the General tab, choose Backup All Data on your iPhone to this Mac. You can also select Encrypt Local Backup for additional security. To restore your backup on Mac, connect your iPhone, open Finder, and choose Restore from this backup from the General tab. Select the desired backup and click Restore. Make sure to regularly back up your iPhone to ensure you don't lose important data. Setting up automatic iCloud backups can make this process seamless. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.